or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all a very simple hack that would ensure that your lipsticks stay long behind your mask and in this hot, scorching summers of our country. Well, the COVID-19 situation is going to stay here, and even if it gets controlled, I do not know how long it is going to stay. So, unfortunately, masks are going to be a part of our lives for a really long time. But even if we have to wear a mask, it doesn't mean that we won't be doing our makeup. I know we do not get to flaunt our lips the usual way we used to do in 2019 or in the initial months of 2020. It's completely fine. We can wear our lipsticks, and wearing our lipsticks is not only to flaunt, but it's for our own happiness, our own satisfaction. Now, it's very evident that wearing the lipsticks under the mask causes it to transfer into the mask, and most of the time it smudges, it budges, and it doesn't stay long, okay? At least for the time period we want it to stay there. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all a very simple and easy hack that would ensure that your lipsticks stay put on your lips for a really long time, even in this humid summers of India and under the mask. Okay, and I have also attached a video in this video. I have also shown it that if I do that, whether my lipsticks, a bullet creamy lipstick, stays as long as I want. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, right now we are going to get started. Okay, I would also like to say one thing, that with this video I'm going to start a series called Under the Mask, and in this series I'm going to tell you everything about skincare and makeup, how you can do under the mask. So yeah, keep an eye for the videos. I will be posting them very soon, and this is the first video in the series. So yeah, let's get started. So let's begin with the demo. I'm going to show you all the hack that I use to make my lipstick stay long beneath the mask. So here I am taking this Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lip color. The shade that I'm taking is Morning Coffee. It's a beautiful creamy lipstick. It's a bullet lipstick, and it isn't transfer proof. So here you can see I'm applying this lipstick all over my lips. Next, what I'm gonna do is take this tissue, wipe off the excess, apply one more layer, wipe off the excess once again. What I'm gonna do is take this translucent powder. This is the sugar translucent powder, all set to go translucent powder, and I've taken a fluffy brush. I do not use it for my eyeshadows. If you want, you can directly use the puff, but actually the puff gets dirty, as you can see. Okay, so take this brush and dip it into the powder. So because of the make and the packaging of this powder, it can become a bit dusty, and there can be some product wastage. So actually one needs to be careful while using this particular powder, but as such it's a really beautiful powder. Okay, in any which way, that's not our main point of discussion. So the thing is that I've taken some powder on this brush, and I would be dabbing a bit of it on my lips. Make sure you coat your entire lips with this powder. So after pursing my lips, I would be removing any excess after dabbing on the tissue again. And next, I will be doing the transfer test. I will be doing the kiss test. See, it doesn't transfer. And I will be showing you all after wearing a mask. So I've got these two masks. These are surgical masks. I do not really use a cloth wala mask because they're not that effective. And even if you guys use a cloth mask, make sure to double mask. Okay. I have got lots of masks. That is, I think, one advantage of being a healthcare worker. We are given a lots of masks. We have lots of masks. Like one corner of my home is flooded with masks. If someday if possible, I would be showing you my mask collection. Any which way. Okay, most of the time I wear my N95 mask, and the one that I wear do have the ear loops and they form a very nice shape on my face, so the lipstick doesn't necessarily transfer. But here I'm gonna show you all how it looks like after wearing this mask. Okay, some makeup of mine transferred, I guess, or is it just some stain? So this is how the mask looks like. Okay, now this was a very quick demo. I'm going to attach a video of mine. So basically I shot this video on my phone. I was getting ready to go to my hospital and I applied the lipstick. I applied two lipsticks, the same range of lipsticks, this Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipsticks. I applied one in Insane Pink and the other was Vintage Rust because I wanted to get some different color. And I started around 8:30 a.m. and that day I entered my home at around 5:51 a.m. to be 5:51 p.m. to be precise. So I will be attaching the video and you guys can see for yourself that whether this hack works or not. Alright, right now it is 8:20 in the morning and I am rushing towards my hospital. I have my duty today, so I would show you all whether I would be testing in front of you all whether my lipstick stays put all day long inside the mask. Okay, so right now I'm applying this Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick. So I've applied a generous amount of it, and in order to enhance the color a bit more, I am going over with the shade is Insane Pink of the same Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution. Next, what I'm gonna do is, so I've got this tissue with me and I have wiped off the excess on this tissue. So here I have applied another layer. I'm again gonna take this tissue, wipe off the excess, and then a final layer. So here I have applied two lipsticks, two lip color basically. If you want, you can go with the same lipsticks. So I was not showing the entire lipstick because it is soiled with eyeshadow. I broke one of my eyeshadows and it got applied here. I need to clean it up. So this is Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lipstick in the shade Vintage Pink. That was Insane Pink and this is Vintage Rust. Okay, now the point of shooting this particular video is because I really wanted to show you guys that these lipsticks are quite matte, but they are really very creamy and they are not transfer proof. So I am testing out these lipsticks behind the mask. I need to check out how mask proof they are. I really wanted to check their staying capability. How long do they stay? Okay, I'm finally going to wipe off the excess. And I have a full day of duty today, so I would be coming back in the evening and then I would be seeing how long do they stay behind the mask. Okay, and once I put on my mask, I would be showing that also, how many layers of mask I am putting on, and yeah, I will be catching you all then. I put on two layers of mask. One is this N95 and the other is the surgical mask. All set, all ready to go. Okay, I will be seeing you all in the evening. So hi guys, welcome back. I just returned back from my duty and I am going to remove the mask in front of you all. And as you can see, okay, so the time right now is 5:51 p.m. and I started at 8:30 a.m. Okay, so if you can see, the lipstick is pretty much there, and it has been around how many hours? It has been 9 hours. All right, it has smudged. If you can see here, all these places it has smudged actually, but that is totally understandable because it is very humid out there and it's really sweaty, so it got smudged, but the lipstick stayed put for 9 hours straight. Okay, so yeah, this is the story as of now. um, you guys continue watching the video. And as for the mask, there is very little transfer, if you can see. Yeah. So I have used the mask for 2 days straight, and this is a transfer of the lipstick. I have been using this shade of this lipstick for the past 2 days. I mean, of course, I do change my lipsticks, I do change my shades, so that's it. Okay, you guys continue watching this video. So as you guys saw in the video that using this simple, quick, easy hack, my lipstick did stay put for really long, for approximately 8 to 9 hours. Although it did smudge a bit around the outer corner of my lips, but that is because it was really hot and humid and I was actually wearing triple layer of mask inside the OT, and also there was this 2 hours of travel time and to and fro in this hot humid weather. So that is kind of understandable, but I would try to find out a hack again in order to prevent budging and smudging of the lipstick around the outer border of the lips. So that was it for today's video, you guys. I really hope this video was a bit helpful for you and you guys really liked this video. If you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye. I love you all.